Did you know that more than 1 billion people worldwide are currently living with obesity? That's 1 in 8 people on our planet. And by 2035, this number could reach over 1.5 billion adults. But here is what's more concerning. Obesity is not just about appearance. It's a complex disease that can actually increase the risk of serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Today, I am going to walk you through 5 major reasons behind obesity that are backed by latest scientific research. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi, I am Aditi. I am certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. The first and the biggest reason is our modern diet, specifically the diet which contains ultra processed foods. A groundbreaking study found something shocking. When it comes to obesity, our diet matters 90% more than physical activity. That's right. What you eat is far more important than how much you do exercise. But here is the problem. Our food environment has drastically changed. Ultra processed foods like packaged snacks, sugary foods, soft drinks are now everywhere. And we all know that these foods are definitely not at all good for our overall health. It's because they are loaded with empty calories, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and very little nutrition. These foods are designed to be hyper palatable, meaning these foods can trigger our brain's reward system, making us want more and more such foods. And if we keep eating those processed foods, then we can become obese. So, now you know why processed foods are the number one leading cause behind obesity. The second major reason might shock you. It's not getting enough sleep at night. Many studies have shown that if you sleep less than 7 hours per night, then your risk of having obesity will increase by 38%. It's because when you don't get enough sleep, your body's hormones go all crazy. Basically, your ghrelin increases, which is a hunger hormone, and your leptin decreases, which is a hormone that tells you when you are full. So, overall, sleep deprivation can make your ghrelin go up and your leptin go down. And the result? Well, you will constantly feel hungry and never feel satisfied. But wait, that's not all. Sleep deprivation also increases cravings for sugary and high fat foods, reduces your motivation to exercise, it disrupts your metabolism, it increases cortisol, which is a stress hormone that can promote belly fat storage, and it can also lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to diabetes. So, overall, sleep deprivation is directly linked with obesity, hence proved. The third major reason is chronic stress and the stress hormone, which is cortisol. When you are constantly stressed, whether it's from work, relationship, or life pressure, your body releases cortisol. Now, this can actually be helpful for short term stress. But when you are chronically stressed, your cortisol level will stay elevated for too long. And research shows that elevated cortisol can increase your appetite, especially for high fat and high sugar foods. It can promote fat storage, particularly that dangerous belly fat or visceral fat. It can also cause insulin resistance. It can reduce your body's ability to burn fat, and it can even break down your muscle tissue. Those things are definitely not at all good for our health, right? Interestingly, studies have found that some people are high cortisol responders, meaning their bodies produce more cortisol in response to stress. These people are more prone to weight gain and obesity compared to low cortisol responders. So, overall, stress and especially chronic stress and high level of cortisol can be a possible reason behind obesity. The fourth reason is something that you cannot control. It's your genes and biology. Obesity is a complex and multifactorial disease. Recent research confirms that genetics play a big role in how your body stores fat, your metabolism rate, which means how fast you burn calories, how sensitive you are to hunger hormones, and where fat accumulates inside your body. However, and this is crucial, our genes alone cannot cause obesity. They can just create a predisposition. The massive increase in the rates of obesity over 30 years proves this, because our genes have not changed, but our environment has. And research shows that obesity is shaped by a convergence of genetic, biological, environmental, behavioral, sociocultural, and economic factors all working together. So, basically, our genes cannot cause obesity alone, but it can increase the risk of having obesity in the near future. The fifth and the last reason is sedentary lifestyle. Now, do you remember that study I mentioned earlier? While it found that diet is more important than physical activity for obesity, but physical activity is still crucial, just for some different reasons. Here is the thing, being physically inactive does not just mean that you will burn fewer calories. It also reduces your muscle mass. It can slow down your metabolism. It increases insulin resistance. It can also contribute to inflammation, and it can also affect your mood and stress levels, which can lead to emotional eating. And emotional eating can lead to overeating, which in result can cause obesity. The main problem is we are living in a world that promotes 9 hours of sitting desk jobs, spending a lot of time on our mobile phones, laptops, computers, television, using cars instead of walking, and using elevators and escalators everywhere we go instead of taking stairs. So basically, if you combine sedentary lifestyle with poor diet, inadequate sleep, and chronic stress, you create the perfect storm for obesity. Now, let's talk about why all of this matters. That is, the serious health impacts of obesity. The first and the major health issue that can occur due to obesity is heart disease. Research shows that obesity can double your risk of cardiovascular disease. It can increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. It can cause inflammation in your blood vessels. It can also elevate your blood pressure, and it can change your cholesterol levels as well. The second one is diabetes. Do you know that obesity accounts for 90 to 95% of all type 2 diabetes cases in adults? In fact, the connection is so strong that experts now use the term diabesity to describe this epidemic. But wait, this is not the end. Recent studies confirmed that obesity can increase the risk of certain cancers, sleep apnea, fatty liver disease, joint problems, depression, and other mental health issues, and it can reduce your life expectancy as well. And here is the worst part. Obesity can create a vicious cycle. Being overweight can make it harder to go to sleep at night, which can increase your stress, can make your exercise more difficult, and it can also lead to depression. All of this can make your weight loss journey even harder. I know this sounds overwhelming, but here is the good news. Understanding those 5 major causes of obesity is the first step to addressing them. The research is clear. Focus on whole unprocessed foods. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep. Find healthy ways to manage your stress. Stay physically active throughout the whole day and seek medical help or professional help when needed. That's it. Remember, obesity is not simply about your willpower or your personal failure. It's a complex disease influenced by biology, environment, and modern lifestyle. But with right knowledge and support, positive changes are possible. Just remember, small sustainable changes matter more than perfection. So, take care of yourself by beating that obesity. Do let me know in the comment section, do you also think that obesity in the upcoming years will become one of the most common health issue? If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get to know how dangerous obesity is for their overall health. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.